Evening, guys. This is Godwin, and I'm presenting my assignment 3. And I want to start with the first one that says, given n, print this pattern up to n1, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. The user detail is an increasing pattern that is required. But if you check up within here, within there's 4. Here we have um, in between 1 and 4 is there's a difference of 3, and from 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, and there's a difference of 4. So we going to start with um, the user is asked to enter an integral which is greater than 1. So we're going to start with the system um, printout of 1 first. Then we actually going to use our loop starting with 4. So it's going to say loop is integged I equals to 4, and we said I is less than or equals to 20, which is the last number here, and the difference in between from 4 to 20 is going to be 4. So that's why we are using this formula as I equals to I plus 4, and our system printout. So I actually use this inline system. If you look at what I use a system printout of this. Now this is just there to demarcate between the questions, question 1 and question 2 and 3. It's just to add some flavor to the questions. And so if you run this right now, we're gonna have this. So we're gonna have 1, then we have 4 to 20. All right, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now that takes us to question 2. Question 2, it says, given n, print backwards to 0. We're asked to do a decreasing number here, and to give an input to the console, I have to use a scanner formula, and that's why I have to use this in line 22. Here I put in the loop formula for this, saying int is equals to I equals to 5. I mean, that's starting from 5, and then we're ending in 0. That's why we're using the negative, because 0 means minus, and the difference there. So we're having to print out, and if we run this right now, we're going to have let me just do this. You see, I'm going to put in the number from which we're given. The series of given to start from 5. So I'm going to put in 5 and press enter. And if you look at my result here, I have 5 is written backwards, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Now that takes us to question 3. In question 3 here, we ask the user for a word, and then print each character out one by one. And an example was given to us saying, using hello, your program will print out hello as being separated. Now to achieve this, we have to also use the scanner formula. As I said earlier, I said to give an input to the console, you have to use a scanner formula, and that's why we use this in line 33. And we are to convert this the character or being given, and to make it to be separated, the chat array is actually implemented, and the chat array breaks down the strings into singular characters, and that's why this is appearing here. And if you run this right now, we're going to have this is type in a character. I mean, yeah, a character that says today is good. Okay, I don't know what's happening here, but let's try it again. I will say you run this. Say today. All right, now you see we have this. They've been separated into separate characters. And that's it, folks. That's what I have for you guys. Thank you for your time. Bye.